If your figures look stiff or off balance, there's a simple fix. It's all in the centre line. And once you understand how to use it, your drawings will instantly come to life. Hi, I'm Michael from Coxon Tokyo Art School. Today we're going to take a further step in using the centre line. Not just to hold the figures together, but to give it life, energy and balance. We'll start with stationary poses, then move on to figures in motion. I'll show you how a simple V can help you find the perfect balance every time. Let's begin with stationary pivots. Start by drawing a vertical centre line from the base point upward. Then draw a V on either side of that line. Keep the head as your unit of measure, about 1.5 centimetres. The purpose of the V is to balance the figure. The pose should feel contained within that V, not stiff but stable. I'll demonstrate this with two standing poses. As you draw, feel the centre of gravity and think about how the weight is distributed evenly around that central point. Now let's move on to moving pivots. Here the main line of balance or centre line should lean in the direction of the movement. The V should also tilt the same way. It creates a sense of motion and movement and life, while still keeping the pose believable and grounded. Try to imagine the figure weight shifting forward or back as you can. Feel the momentum through the leaning line. And if you can feel the movement through that leaning line. So that's how you use the centre line and the V to bring life, balance and rhythm to your figure drawings. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe and share it with anyone learning to draw the human figure. And remember, don't just copy the pose, feel the balance. That's where life begins.